this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. We've got Nissin no Donbe Okinawa Soba. 5 minutes, 370 mils of water. So there we go. We're also going to add flour foo, which I'm sure it's already got some, but I'm going to use some of the big foo. Not the little foo, the big foo. So here's our Okinawa. Looks like it has some included kamaboko. Man, it looks just dreary outside. I love it. There's some dry stuff. We'll throw this in. And what else do we have here? Where should she get now? Got a dry, a little bit of liquid and kizami sugar. Pickled ginger. This is dry too. We'll throw this in. So, every once in a while, I score. There's a group, there's a couple places that I get neat things from. One is our local St. Vincent de Paul thrift store, whose prices can be ridiculous, but if the head guy's there and it's something I want bad enough, I'll wheel and deal with them. And then there's a group we have, and chances are in your area you've got one too, and it's part of the Buy Nothing project, which honestly, if you didn't buy anything and you depended on one of those Buy Nothing groups in your local area, you'd be eating a lot of like health food supplements all day and expired foods and wearing a lot of like elementary school clothing. Anyways, like my arcade game cabinet I got off of there. It came with a Lenovo laptop, which is decent. What else did I get off of there? Oh, it got Mimi a Barbie Dream House off of there for free. Just like things like that, you know? It's like a lot of the, well, my kid grew out of this kind of things. But that, it was just a lady, she got a divorce, she was with a new guy, and she's like, this is from my old guy, I don't want it anymore, he doesn't want it, so we need somebody. And I just like begged for it the right way, and she's just like, it's yours. Thank God. That was a process. Had to rent a U-Haul van to go get it and stuff. Weighs a ton. Weighs a ton. Here's what it looks like if you haven't seen it before. It's an ongoing see, I mean, look at that. You can barely even fit it in, but yeah. But yeah, I got that for free. I've always wanted one of those. I don't use it as much as I should. But yeah. So, what did I get this time? I'll show you. I got an original old school iPad. This is a first generation iPad. And you know what you can do with it? It's kind of looking like nothing. You can use like maps and a couple things, and it works fine. It holds charge. Like, I'm floored. I charged it last night and it's still got 86%, and I've played around with it a lot. But it's cool. I've never ever had an iPad. What's that? What's that? I don't even know. Game Center. Oh, I don't know. I'm sure I can't get any games for it. But it's neat. It's a neat thing. No camera. No camera. No camera. You have I read a thing and it said like go to the app, get the App Store version or iTunes Store. I don't understand all this crap. I'm an Android guy myself, hey, but I don't know. Maybe something more will come of it. I'm surprised though, because my brother uses one as a clock in his work area, which is cool. Maybe I should put some of that foo in there right now, huh? Put a couple flowers of foo in there. What's that, Ramen Raider? It's flower foo. I just told you like 10 times. Don't you like the flower foo? It's basically like bready stuff. It doesn't have any flavor, it just soaks up broth. And then it expands. It's kind of like those little things you put in the bath and it starts out little plastic dinosaurs. It's like this big, it's all squishy, and then you're kind of stuck with it. Can't really do much with it after that. But, yeah. Anyway. And 3, 2, and the 1. Okay. So let's see. Here's our ever-expanding flour foo and our noodle. So let's give this a try. I'm gonna go with the broth first this time. Yeah. Very salty, thin, light broth. That's a decent udon. Generally, I don't like the udon that come in these. They're too thin. But this one's not bad. Here's our pickled ginger. Does it have liquid with it? Not really. It's just pickled ginger. That's gonna go on top. I know what pickled ginger tastes like. And honestly, that's a nice thing to combine with this. I think that will work well. I really do. Let's pick our bowl. Picking and grinning. Whoa. Whoa. So somebody else is gonna look at the dog today. And from what my wife is saying, he's kind of an odd cat. No pun intended. He kept asking, how much you want for the dog? How much is the dog? And we don't really want any. We're not looking for a rehoming fee. We're not looking for anything. We just want her to have a good home. And it's like he would not lay off of it. How much? How much? How much? So finally she was just like, $100. That made him happy. But when we see him, he's like, really? No, you don't have to give us any money. Just give her a good home. Do good by her. Thought I saw something on the floor and was unsure what it was, but it was really not a thing. Sometimes I see things that are not things, and those things, I don't know what they are. That's a fun fact for you. We have 1 egg left, and old egg is gone, so I'm gonna stave off the interest in using egg on this one. Well, what's the next one? I don't know if I really want to use an egg on the next one. I'll have to look. I know I don't really need to use an egg on the third one, but I thought I had 3 eggs. That sounds like a weird children's rhyme. I thought I had 3 eggs. 3 eggs, 3 eggs. I thought I had 3 eggs, and then I had none. Yeah, I don't know. It's a weird day. This is Saturday, actually, and I never do reviews on Saturday. This is like a rarity, but since my wife is at work and I had the time to get some ready, I decided I would. And now, this episode's what? Coming out in October? Jesus. And this is a pain. Yeah, you know what I need? I need, I don't know, I kind of thought that the whole iPad thing would be interesting, but I kind of more just want to get it working. God, this thing just does not want to work with me. I used to use pickled ginger constantly, like very incorrectly, as in using it with mee goreng. Anything, just because I really liked it, you know, I would use it in everything. Yeah, that's pickled ginger. Oh. I don't know how much I would recommend the packaged pickled ginger so much. I like pickled ginger, and I'm kind of a stickler about good pickled ginger. I don't know how much I like it in that respect there. I'll use the fancy sheet, you mean. That one. It's a little much. A little too much right there. Saturday morning, beautiful weather. Dark and cloudy. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one, another one out of the same Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Yamadai Hokkaido Miso Butter Ramen. And it's a very apt combo, despite the British contingent in Section 42 finding butter or ramen with corn a tragic event. And this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. Thanks, it helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.